guys, welcome to BlackisGolden. I am super excited to unbox my press-on nails for you guys. So before we get into this video, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. And if you are a member of the Golden Society, welcome back and you are appreciated. Let's get into this video. On the 28th of August 2020, I sent a message to Beauty by Khy's Instagram page, and I was basically inquiring about her press-on nails. And she responded within an hour, explaining to me the details, and we went through what I would like and the size, the designs, everything of that sort, and she discussed pricing with me. I paid via the National Bank mobile app, and then within an hour she sent me a message to say that the sizing kits are ready. This was something that I thought was a really big part of me getting press-ons that I am comfortable with, because she's in St. Kitts and I wouldn't have wanted to travel over to St. Kitts just to size my nails. So the fact that she sent them over, a big part of me purchasing from her. So she sent the sizing kits for me the same day on the boat. I got them, and unfortunately I didn't get to size my nails until the day after, which was the 29th of August. I reached out to her about the sizes after measuring my nails, and she just wanted to verify the sizes before she started. She told me that it would be about 2 to 3 business days before she completes my press-ons, and I was quite fine with that. We had conversation back and forth while she was doing the press-ons, and then she sent me a picture and videos of my press-on nails. They were on the boat on the 2nd of September. So I first reached out to her on the 28th of August. I sent her my sizes based on the sizing kit that she gave me. I sent her my sizes on the 29th of August, and I received my press-on nails on the 2nd of September. That time frame was short and perfect enough for me. So these are what I received to size my nails, and they all have the number at the top of the nails. We are now going to get into the actual packaging, because the first package I received was just a sizing kit, and the second package was actually my press-on nails. So this is how it comes packaged, and I truly fell in love with how simple and cute this is, because I love black and I love gold, so it was just a bit comforting to see. Nice packaging and the colors, my favorite colors. So we're going to unbox these. I've seen them before because she sent me pictures and videos, but I haven't actually seen them in person, and I haven't tried them on to see how they fit. So in the bag we have a how to get pressed guide, have a kit that helps you prep your nails for installation, and this includes a buffer, nail glue, nail tabs, alcohol prep pads. We also have the boxes, and then we have a thank you card, and the card reads, "Thank you for your purchase. Enjoy $10 off of your next purchase when you present this card. I would maintain that thanks are the highest form of thought, and that gratitude is happiness doubled by wonder. G.K. Chesterton. Beauty by Khy issue date, and it is valid for 60 days after the issue date." So this is a really nice addition to my purchase that I didn't expect. So now I'm going to get straight into installing a set of these, and I'm going to let you guys know how they fit, what I did according to the how to get pressed guide that is included in my kit. Here I am showing you guys the 2 sets of press-on nails that I purchased from Beauty by Khy. And here I am using the nude sets just to position them on the nail to make sure that they fit how I would like for them to fit before I actually begin the process. And the first step on this how to get pressed guide is to actually cut and file my nails, but I had already cut and filed my nails prior to starting this video. So I moved on to the second step, which is pushing back my cuticles. And normally when I go to the nail salon and they do this step, it's very painful. So I try to be as gentle as possible so it doesn't hurt. I am using the cuticle pusher that was included in my kit. I now move on to file my nails. I actually didn't do this before because I did before I started the video, but somehow I decided that I would still do it so that I can have the same effect it would have if I have done it in the beginning. I am now using the buffer that was also included in my kit just to buff each nail one by one. And I'm now using the alcohol prep pads. And this is the step that I do just before I add the double-sided nail tabs and the nails. And our last step on the how to get pressed guide is to apply nail glue or double-sided nail tabs. Nail tabs were included in my bag when I purchased my press-on nails, but I also had a set that I ordered from Amazon as well. So I've done this step before because I had press-on nails before, so I already have an idea of what size of the double-sided nail tabs fit which finger. So that is why you guys just see me choosing them from the card and adhering them to my finger without checking to see which one fits. And if you guys see me going back and pressing on each nail, it's not because they're moving or coming off in any way. It's just that I want them to be as secure as possible, and sometimes I just go back and forth and press them continuously to make sure that they are secure. And you may see me struggling with removing the adhesive from the other side of the double-sided nail tabs, and it's because that they are very disgusting. Sometimes half of the plastic comes off, sometimes all of it comes off, but it's a very tricky process removing the plastic. As you guys can see here, I am putting on the last nail for my left hand, and this is how it looks. This is definitely nude, like in the right way, let me say that. I am now moving on to my other hand, and as you guys can see here, I've decided to use a different technique. I am adhering the double-sided nail tabs to all the nails, so I'm actually going nail tab, nail tab, nail tab, and then nail, 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 instead of nail tab, nail, nail tab, nail. And I think that this technique works a bit better for me. It's more faster because once I know that I've gotten the tricky part of the nail tabs out of the way, it's an easier and shorter process from there on. And here you guys have it, absolutely beautiful. Like, I really love the different shades of nude that is my go-to nail color. So I really wanted to have different shades, and I love how they turned out. So this is how the nude set looks, and as you guys can see, they fit perfectly. I am now going to show you guys the black and gold set. As you guys can see here, I am adhering the BlackisGolden set, and they are in the length short. I did this process shorter because I already had the nail tabs from previous installation, and I just removed them so that I can add the second set, which makes this process very easy. So the nude nails that I had previously, they are in the length medium, and the BlackisGolden set is in the length short. I showed you guys the nude set, and this is the set that I personally call BlackisGolden. These are my favorite colors, and the detail really stands out to me. I love, 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 love these nails. Based on the sets that I got, I would like for you guys to comment below which one is your favorite, and if you too would like to purchase a set of press-on nails from Beauty by Khy, you can follow her on Instagram at Beauty by Khy, Beauty by Khy Retail, and I will leave the links in the description box below for you guys to check out her page and get yourself some press-on nails. Before I close out this video, I must give a huge shout out to Beauty by Khy because her service was awesome and her professionalism is unmatched. That is something that you really need when you are in the beauty business. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and before you leave, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Hi guys, welcome to BlackisGolden. In this video, no, it's not in this video. That is something that you really need when you are in the beauty business. I wouldn't say that they are my favorite of the two sets, but I definitely love these ones a bit more. That makes sense? No, that don't make no sense. That don't make no sense.